Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do the AMC 8 2020 problem 20. Okay, so let's read the problem. A scientist walking through a forest recorded as integers the heights of trees standing in a row. She observed that each tree was either twice as tall or half as tall as the one to the right. Unfortunately, some of her data was lost when rain fell on her notebook. Her notes are shown below, with the blanks indicating the missing numbers. Based on the observations, the scientist was able to reconstruct the lost data. What was the average height of the trees in meters? Okay, so I'm going to circle the important things: twice as tall or half as tall. This is going to help us. And then they mentioned that it was integers. And let's circle the numbers here: 11 and 0.2. Okay, so tree 1 must be an integer, right? And it must be either twice as tall or half as tall as tree 2. So if it was twice as tall, it would be 22. If it was half as tall, it would be 5.5. But 5.5 isn't an integer. Therefore, it has to be 22. And the same goes for tree 3. 22. And now, as you can see, wait, I accidentally erased it, but hang on, wait. That is a 2. So it must end with 0.2, the average, which means that the sum has to end with a 1 or a 6, because 1 over 5, over 5, because there are 5 trees, equals 0.2. Just wait. And 6 over 5 equals, 6 over 5 equals 1.2. Okay, so hang on, wait, I'll just erase all of that. But anyways, you get the point. It either has to end in a 6 or a 1. Anyways, so if it ends in a 6 or a 1, we can use this fact to help us narrow down which one it is. Okay, so we add these up. We only add the unit spots. So this is 5, basically. So we add 5 to these two numbers. If this were to be 11, let's just say, it could either be 11 or 44. Let's just say it were to be 11, then this would be 22. And this would basically be 4. 3, my bad. Sorry. Wait. Sorry, this is my bad. Okay, anyway, so this would be a 3. You add 3 and 5 up, guess what you get? 8. Is 8 equal to 1 or 6? No, I don't think so, Yeah, I just don't think it is. So we have to say it's 44, because why not? So it must be 44. Yawn. You do realize that it's like nighttime right now, so I'm yawning. Anyways, if this is 44, we add these up. 4 plus 5, 9. So this either has to be a 2 or a 7. As you can see, our only possible option is 22. Because if you add all these up, it becomes 11, which ends in a 0.2. Okay, so anyways, I'll just add these up. Just wait a sec. Wait, no. Hang on. Wait, this is easier. 22, 11. Bruh, I don't even care if these are lined up or not anymore. I don't care. I just don't. Bruh. Fine, I might care a bit. It doesn't matter. No. Anyways, 11. Just gonna move this guy. No, bro. Okay. I officially hate this whiteboarding system, but I'll keep using it. Hello, yeah, pencil. I'll just add them up. As we saw before, this was already 1, so all this, and these are all repeating, so it's 11 again, so it's 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Bruh. Why did this happen? Anyways, 1, 2, 1 over something. Bro. Okay, I can't help it. Come on, I'm only a 4th grader. I can't help it. Wait, did I say I was a 4th grader before? Well, anyways, I'm a 4th grader, so I can't help it. 121 over 5. And then we know that 120 is divisible by 5. That's 24. And 24. But then we still have 1 over 5, which is 2.2. So 0.2. Therefore, well, hang on, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart. Or maybe not. I don't really care. I might as well just get this over with, bro. How did I forget that? Okay. I don't care if the spaces aren't even. Anyway, so 24.2 was our answer. Yeah, that's B. Bruh. Maybe I should just. Maybe I shouldn't have wrote all that out. That was so much work, and bruh. I could just told you the answer was 24.2 without having to say it's B, bro. I'm pretty sure you all have. Why is my name? Okay, fine. I am so mad, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, wait. I forgot to stop recording. It don't matter. Bye. Man, I don't think that was good. Huh! What's this? Looks like this guy was explaining problem 20. Looks like he rage quit too. It doesn't matter.